Yeah, I need your vibration. It's all that I want. Yeah, it's all that I need. You got me going crazy without you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Aries. So today I decided to dye my hair back to black after having this lighter color for almost a year now. I've been wanting to dye my hair black for a while now because I'm just tired of having to dye my hair every other month because I really can't stand my black roots showing. So I've had this black dye for it's been a few weeks now because I knew this time was coming, and today is the day because I'm over this color. So I have several videos of me dyeing my hair already. Y'all are probably tired of seeing me do this over and over. So it's really nothing to explain. Just following the directions that come in the box. And I'm using the Crème Nature dye as usual. The color is Intense Black. And it is very intense. Y'all see a little bit later. So I let the dye sit in my hair for about 20 minutes because it got really dark really fast. So now I'm just taking my makeup off real quick while I let the dye sit there, and then I'll hop in the shower and I wash my hair with the Shea Moisture Aloe Butter shampoo, and then I use the conditioner that came with the dye, and I let that sit in my hair while I showered. Now I am back with freshly washed black hair, very black hair. I definitely felt a little crazy. I feel like I should have used a regular black dye instead of an intense black. But anywho, now I'm just going to use my regular old leave-in conditioner and some oil, and I like to mix those two together. And then I'm going to use some mousse to slick down my hair this time. I've tried using the gel and the washing style waves with the shampoo. I really like all the different methods, so I just alternate between those three. So yeah, after I brush my hair with the mousse, I put the do-rag on, and I kept it on overnight. All right, so this is the next day, and I'm gonna just do my edges real quick as usual and come back with some makeup on. Y'all know the routine. But oh my God, Cream of Nature was not lying when they said intense black, because my hair is darker than this freaking do-rag. It looks way too dark. I don't know if it's actually too dark or if it looks really dark because of how light my hair was before, but my head is black, okay? Anyways, I'm just glad I don't have to worry about dyeing my hair every couple of months anymore. Now I just have to worry about keeping my hair cut. So that is a big relief. So this is what my hair looks like with my edges done and my little makeup on. It's definitely gonna take me a little minute to get used to, just like it did with the brighter color. But yeah, I'm just glad to go back to my roots, you know. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want. And I'll see y'all in my next video.